Have you encountered the situation that your MKV or MOV file couldn't be opened on Windows, and the media player just showed the missing codec error, or errors like file format not supported? No worries. In this video, I am gonna show you how to fix corrupted video files on Windows in seconds. To fix the problem, we are gonna need HitPaw Video Converter. The official link is also put in the description. Once you open it, import the MKV or MOV file that couldn't be opened. The tool supports batch processing, so that's convenient if you have multiple corrupted video files. Then choose your target video format. Take MP4 for example. You can even customize the format settings if you like. Let's use HD 1080p as an example. Next, click on Convert All. Only within seconds, the videos are converted successfully. Now when you open the file, this time it's playable, and the missing codec error doesn't show up. Alright, that's the easy tutorial for fixing corrupted video files. I hope you find it helpful, and please don't forget to give me a like and subscribe to my channel for more useful tools and tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.